Yo YouTube, I'm back here with another video. Alright, so in this video we're going to be doing a POV drive. I'm not going to be going too far, but yeah. And it's been a minute since I've been doing a POV drive. Like, not with the 360 cam, but like a POV drive, like driving the car, you know, from the inside. And yeah, if y'all can see as a thumbnail or the title, I'm going to be driving with this bear. It's a gift from when I graduated. And since y'all see my other, it's been a while, you know, crazy. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna just be, fuck. Man, it's been a little, I don't know, life on the hit and everything. You know, since I'm out of school. But yeah, guys, hope y'all enjoy my little dog. I think this is gonna be hard to drive because, bro, this fucking dude faster, bro. That's gonna be a little hard driving because I'm holding this. But other than that, guys, it's just, we all good. POV drive with my bear. Got my diploma and everything. I hope y'all like this video too. Like, share, and subscribe. I ain't gonna lie, this gonna be hard driving because I got a bear and I gotta get the steering wheel. So yeah. My windshield wipers are so fucking loud. I think it's just broke. Under that, is y'all good? Oh my god, I seen that, bro. What the fuck? My car did that, bro. The water gonna go to the engine, bro. My engine gonna fall apart. Unscoring. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna just like not talk a lot now. Just like do this POV. I'm gonna concentrate because I'm driving one hand. And yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, guys. Enjoy the video. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go slow with that car. Y'all can hear that bit loud. Windshield wiper loud as hell. I'm gonna relax for a bit. Relax for a bit. Oof. My little teddy bear. Where my 2025 at? As y'all can see, guys. Oh shit. As y'all can see, guys, I'm class of 2025. Yes, sir. Put this in my my gear. Here, I don't know what's it called. What was it called? But yeah. The light at? Oh, there you go. Cars, nigga, a lot of y'all. Oh, shit. Also, let me know down in the comments below what year or what class are y'all. Like 2026, 2027, 28. You know, what year y'all finna graduate and everything. It's kind of the same thing, but y'all know what I mean. What do you go, cops or temp my phone down? See me like this, pull me over. Where the cop going? Whoa. Foggy, ain't gonna lie to y'all. My hand hurt with it bit. Also, guys, don't try this at home. Don't drive one hand. Make sure I drive with two hands. I'm a professional, you know. I drive with no hands too. I will drive like a little back. There's a police. Oh no, it's not a police. Like I would drive like this a little back, but I can't. What the fuck? But like I was saying, I would drive a little back, but I can't. So if I do that, it's gonna be on my face unless I put it like right here. But I can't really see, you know, like where I'm driving at. I'll put it back. I won't be able to see shit. But yeah, guys. Fucking car. I don't want to drive too fast. I might start slipping. I don't know why I'm driving fast right now. I'm going. Oh, shit. Once I'm not recording, bruh. When the all-wheel drive, I don't know if that's all. I think it's a front-wheel drive. When the front-wheel drive is like next to you, you can't really, you know, like you feel embarrassed because like they good with the rain. Your rear wheel drive, you could. Alright guys, this is it for the video. You I don't want to keep driving too much because I'm driving one hand, my hand getting tired. I might for sure see you on my next video. And hope y'all love this video. Me driving my 2025 Bear. I don't know, it don't show 2025, but hey, shit, I don't know. Anyway, guys, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Like, share, subscribe. The Bear's talking to y'all. Like, share, subscribe, and turn y'all post notifications on. Make sure y'all share with somebody y'all know, and y'all stay tuned. Bro, who getting flashed over there, bro? Bruh. Alright, guys, this is it for the video, and peace out.